Choosing the right bicycle size is crucial for a comfortable and safe ride. Today, we'll show you how to find your perfect match. The right size bike will keep you comfortable, efficient, and safe. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Measure your height. First, measure your height. Stand against a wall and use a tape measure. This height is your starting point for finding the right bike. Step 2. Measure your inseam. Next is your inseam. Place a book between your legs, spine up, and measure from the top to the floor. This helps determine the standover height of your bike. Step 3. Bike size chart. Now, let's use a bike size chart. Match your height and inseam to find the suitable frame size. It's that simple. Step 4. Checking the fit. Time to test some bikes. Check your reach to the handlebars, knee position when pedaling, and if you can touch the ground with your toes. A good fit feels natural and comfortable. Fine-tune your bike with seat and handlebar adjustments for the best experience. And remember, your local bike shop is always there to help. With the right size bike, your cycling adventures await. Enjoy the ride. Follow us for more cycling insights and tips. Keep pedaling forward.